Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so blessed, and today I want to talk to you about growing zones and first frost dates. If you haven't already looked it up, then for your area, then this is a video for you. So this is a breakdown of the first frost dates for 2024 according to the USD grow zones, along with the states that fall within each of those grow zones, and a list of vegetables that tend to thrive in those conditions upon frost. Okay, so the first one, zone 1, we're a little late on this one. Your first frost date was August through early September, so that usually covers the northernmost parts of Alaska, and some of the vegetables that thrive during that period of time is your cold hardy varieties of kale, your Arctic lettuce, those root vegetables like radish and turnips, if you can grow them in a greenhouse or you have some type of special protection. And you can also include any kind of fast maturing crops like peas and spinach, cold tolerant herbs such as parsley and chives. And gardening here in zone 1 is usually requires some special techniques, like I mentioned, the greenhouse and even cold frames. Okay, so we're a little behind on zone 2 also. They're ahead of us, guys, because those are cold climates. But zone 2, your average first frost date was September 1st through the 15th, so you're already in the thick of it, okay? This includes the interior and southern parts of Alaska, some regions of northern Canada as well. The vegetables that thrive in that area during or after the first frost are cabbage, spinach, carrots, broccoli, potatoes, beets. Gardeners often use some type of seasonal extension techniques such as raised beds, row covers, and greenhouses to grow crops. So hold on a little bit, I'm gonna get to your zone. Zone 3, your average first frost date was September 8th through September 15th. And this zone covers northern Minnesota, North Dakota, Montana, and parts of Alaska also. The vegetables that thrive in that area are kale, spinach, carrots, beets, broccoli, and turnips. So if you are trying to grow those, you should be successful now that you've had your first frost. Zone 4, okay, you just hit your first frost date probably around September 15th, and that's gonna last. It could be September 15th through September 25th that you can expect your first frost date. So if you haven't gotten it, it should be coming up soon. Those states include northern parts of New York, Wisconsin, Michigan, and central Minnesota. Some of the vegetables that thrive there are cabbage, cauliflower, parsnips, Brussels sprouts, leeks, and radish. We see a common theme here, right, with these cold hardy vegetables. Zone 5, you up next. Your first frost date is expected to be, according to the USDA website, is October 1st through October 15th. States like Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Pennsylvania, and parts of Nebraska and Iowa. The vegetables that you should be planting now, getting ready for transplant, are chard, lettuce, peas, garlic, radicchio, and onions. So the vegetables that I'm mentioning to you, these are the ones that typically thrive during these particular in these particular zones during this particular time of the year. Zone 6, you can expect your first frost date around October 15th through the 25th of October, and those states are Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, parts of Kansas, and northern Arkansas, western and central parts of Maryland, and parts of Virginia. You got your broccoli, your collard greens, your mustard greens, your kohlrabi, your spinach, and your winter cabbage. So if you in a zone that's higher, like zone 8 and 9, and you're trying to grow a vegetable like kohlrabi, it's probably not thriving as well as if you wait a little longer to after your first frost date. But zone 6, yes, broccoli, collard greens, mustard greens, kohlrabi, spinach, and winter cabbage. For zone 7, your first frost date is October 25th through November 5th. And those states include Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Pennsylvania, Oklahoma, and parts of Georgia. And the veggies that thrive there will be kale, arugula, carrots, parsley, broccoli, and turnip greens. So guys, this should be giving you some idea of what you can plant in the fall season, okay? Zone 8 average first frost date is November 5th through November 15th, and this includes states like parts of Texas, South Carolina, Georgia, and even parts of California. Zone 8. The veggies that thrive are Swiss chard, spinach, cabbage, broccoli rabe, beets, and endive. Zone 9, your first frost date is expected to be December 15th, lucky you, through December 30th, and the states include Texas, Louisiana, South California, and parts of Florida. The veggies that thrive are lettuce, radish, beets, Swiss chard, mustard greens, and spinach. Zone 10, you rarely have a frost, but this in Zone 10 includes Southern Florida, Southern California, and Hawaii. And your vegetables that thrive are kale, tomatoes, peas, carrots, radicchio, and leeks. Look at guys, I'm so jealous. Okay guys, so that's it. That's the breakdown for 2024 first frost dates by GrowZone. Hope that was helpful for you. If it was, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Take care and happy gardening.